For most of us, summer is gone and winter is here, which means there are a new set of hair problems that we have to deal with. From itchy scalp to dandruff, from frizz to split ends, winter can be one of the worst seasons for our hair. So in today's episode of Tress Talk, we are going to be talking about some of the easy steps that you can do right now that will ensure that you will have healthy, smooth, and silky hair this winter. In the last episode of Tress Talk, I talked about how to part human hair topper based on your face shape. So if you would like to see that video, make sure to click that link right here. And if you enjoy videos like this one, please click that like button. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe and a bell, which will notify you every time I post a new video. During winter months, our hair has harder time retaining moisture, leaving it brittle and damage prone. So it is very important to follow certain steps during winter months to ensure that you have healthy hair all winter long. So let's go into these steps. If you have split ends, the best way is to get rid of them, schedule an appointment with your hairstylist, and have them trim your hair. So one way that you can tell if you have split ends is closely observe your hair. And if you see any discoloration, if you see hair strands going in different direction, if you see that your hair is dull and lifeless, chances are you have some damage that needs to be taken care of. One way that I manage my split ends and maintain my hair is I take these little eyebrow scissors, and there's a reason for that, is because I don't want to use the real ones because I have a feeling that I would just start snapping off and I would do damage, and I am trying to, grow my hair healthy, and I just look and observe. If I see any split ends that need cutting, I will just, snip it off. Once you get your hair trimmed, it's very important to seal those ends, and natural oils actually are the best sealants for your hair. Oils such as castor oil, grapeseed, and jojoba oil are great sealants. Jojoba is rich in vitamins and minerals that may nourish hair, including vitamin C, B vitamins, vitamin E, copper, and zinc. Because it strengthens hair, it also thought that jojoba oil can prevent hair loss and promote hair thickness. What I do is I actually take a little bit of oil and apply it to the ends, and I leave this oil in until next washing. Washing my hair once a week has made a huge difference in my hair health. I was that person washing my hair every day because I thought my hair is so thin, flat, I cannot do any styling, and I had to wash it every single day in order to be able to control my hair. Then I went into washing my hair 3 times a week, and then I reduced it to 2 times a week, and now I wash my hair once a week, which is great. I know when my washing day is, and I know if I need to do any treatments, I know when to do it. So I wash my hair every Sunday, and I chose Sunday specifically because on Sunday mornings we are inside the house and I have enough time to let my hair air dry. During winter, because our hair has harder time retaining moisture, it's important to keep adding moisture into your hair. And the easiest way is to buy hydrating shampoo and conditioner. These products are designed to add moisture and repair your hair during the cold winter months, especially products that use natural oils in them. The shampoo will add proteins into your hair shaft, and the conditioner will help seal the cuticle, making sure that it retains that moisture. As you will see in a cutaway, when I switch to a new product, I usually go with small sample sizes. And the reason for that is I don't want to commit to a product if I really don't know how my hair is going to react. So Target is a great place to buy these sample hair products, and they have a huge selection to choose from. As you will see, these products are all sulfate free, made of organic or natural oils, and it is extremely important, especially in winter months, to switch to sulfate-free products, because sulfates are designed to remove all the oils and they strip your hair of your natural oils, leaving it dry and prone to damage. If you still using products that have sulfates, now it would be the best time to switch. I'm sure you will notice the difference. Alright, so treating your hair to deep moisturizing mask once a week is extremely beneficial for your hair during the cold winter months. I, for example, wash my hair once a week, so I know when I'm supposed to be using my hair mask. Using hydrating masks will help with adding moisture into your scalp, and also it will prevent itchiness and dandruff. The best way to use hydrating masks is 30 minutes before you plan on washing your hair, or also, if you would like, you can actually apply this moisturizing mask the night before and sleep on it and then wash your hair in the morning. One great mask that adds moisture into your hair that you can use from ingredients in your kitchen, and that is using some sunflower oil and raw honey. So what you can do is mix a sunflower oil with honey and dampen your hair, and then apply this and leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash your hair, and let me tell you, your hair is going to be silky smooth and shiny, and you're going to love it. If you don't want to bother and using ingredients from your kitchen and mixing and thinking that it's too much work, then you can try this Restore Treatment Mask. It has Jamaican black and castor oil. This mask restores strength and resilience to damaged and brittle or chemically processed hair. After you shampoo and condition your hair with the hydrating products, make sure to apply LeaveIn Conditioner as well. This will prevent static and flyaways, and also it will detangle your hair and make it easier to style. Blow dryers rob your hair of moisture, especially during the winter. It's important to minimize use of your heat tools. That's why I say it's very important to wash your hair once, especially on a day that you're not planning on leaving the house. But if you really must use the blow dryer to dry your hair, make sure that you are completely drying your hair before leaving the house, that you're using low heat setting, and that you seal in your cuticles with a shot of cool air, which will prevent it from getting more damaged. Now, scalp massage is proven to stimulate blood circulation and hair growth, but adding oils and massaging your scalp will prevent from itchiness, and it will prevent from dandruff forming. So if you suffering during the winter months of dandruff and itchy scalp, this is something that you should try. You can use tea tree oil, which has vitamin E, or again jojoba oil, and massage your scalp and add these oils into your hair 20 to 30 minutes before you plan on washing your hair. Now that you're working really hard on adding moisture into your hair, sleeping on a cotton pillowcase could be an issue because cotton absorbs the moisture, leaving your hair dry. But sleeping on a silk pillowcase will restore the moisture, and it will actually repair your hair while you sleep. If you don't want to invest a lot of money in a silk pillowcase, you can try a satin pillowcase as well, or you can take one of your silk scarves and tie a low bun and tie this scarf around your head, and then you can sleep on your cotton pillowcase. Hats are an amazing fashion accessory. I love hats during fall and winter, but the problem with hats is that most of them are made out of wool, cotton, and other natural materials that can actually cause damage and split ends in our hair. So one thing that you can do is line your hats with satin or silk, or you can try buying hats that already have this type of lining. Like this one I found in Target, which I think it's really cool and different. And also, if you don't feel like spending time in lining your cute hats, then you can actually apply a leave-in product or oil in your hair before planning on wearing a hat. Drink lots of water and be gentle with your hair. You know what they say, healthy hair comes from within. So drinking lots of water will ensure that you are hydrated inside. It will be good for your skin. It will be good for your hair. It's recommended 64 ounces. But I notice that in winter, I drink a lot less water than in summer, walking around with this huge gallon. And at the end of the day, during the cold, I do notice that I am having harder time finishing the gallon. So drinking plenty of water, it is very important for that hydration. And also be gentle with your hair during the winter. As our hair is dry, make sure when you are combing your hair to use the tangling brush and use wide tooth comb and start from the bottom going up. If you see that your hair is tangled, don't pull on it, but instead use the tangling product or use oils before you start brushing. And that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed these tips. I hope that you will try some of these. I'm sure if you do, your hair will love you for it. If you like these type of videos, because I feel like there is so many easy things that you can do during the winter months to keep your hair healthy. I'm thinking about creating winter series. Maybe that's an idea. If you would like that, click that like button. If you have any tips that you would like to share with us, leave them down in the comments below. And don't forget to visit my website and make sure to join the community. There I often share exclusive discounts only to those that are in the community. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Tress Talk, and I will talk to you next time. Ciao. And after you wash your hair, it's going to look fly.